The cinematic look people admire most usually comes from depth that feels natural and immersive. Today, how to explore immersive frame layering, open Canva, and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a dark charcoal background and apply a radial gradient behind the center area. Insert a wide rectangular frame and upload your primary image. Carefully adjust the crop so the focal subject immediately stands out. Duplicate the frame several times and place the copies behind the original. Increase the size of each duplicate slightly while lowering transparency progressively to create realistic depth. Add a smaller supporting frame overlapping one edge